multiplication and division of fractions. But we'll be starting with multiplication first. Now let's go. We have to simplify these simple questions here, which will be taking it one after the other. The first one we have says 4 over 5 times 10. It is a fraction multiplying a whole number. It is different from the third question here, which is a fraction multiplying a fraction. I want us to look at all of them. The first one we have is, number one, we have 4 over 5. 4 over 5 times 10. This 10 you are seeing here is the same as 10 over 1. Whenever I say a whole number, assume it to be like this. It will help you. When you have it like this, then you can now do your division. You can now cancel out. Okay. So this 10 is same as 10 over 1. So when you have, okay, let's put it there. When you have 10 over 1, just like the multiplication sign is the denominator of one side of the right hand side, we multiply or we divide the numerator of the left hand side. The denominator of the left hand side, we multiply or divide the numerator on the right hand side. What do I mean? 5, you look for a number that can divide 5 and 10. Okay, and that is 5. So 5 in 5 will give you 1. 5 in 10 will give you 2. So 4 times 2 will give you 8. So our final answer here is 8. That's if you want to do it this way. Okay, there's another method where you have something like this. So you have the same thing. Let's go. 4 over 5. 4 over 5 times 10. This 10 is same as 10 over 1. Now this is equal to, you just go the numerator multiplying the numerator. The denominator multiplies the denominator. We have 4 times 10 is 40. 40. 5 times 1 is 5. 40 divided by 5 will give you 8. You still get the same thing. Okay, that's it. Look at the second question. Let's look at the second question. So either you do that or you do this. Then the second question here, we have 14 times 3 over 4. You have 14 whole number times 3 over 4. As you can see, a whole number is multiplying a fraction. Let's go. There's a number that can divide 14 and 4, and that's 2. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. 14 divided by 2 will give you 7. So you have 7 times 3 will give you 21. You have 21 over 2. And this 21 divided by 2, remember, you don't leave your fraction like this. Okay, 21 divided by 2, it will give you a whole number and a remainder, because it cannot go, but you have to break it. You have to change this improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So 21 divided by 2 will give you 10, remainder 1. So you write it as a fraction 1, remainder 1 over 2. And this is our answer for number 2. For number 3, a fraction is multiplying a fraction. We have 2 over 3 times 3 over 4. In this case, you can use either method. It's either the numerator multiplies the numerator and the denominator multiplies the denominator, or you cancel out. What do I mean? 2 times 3 here will give you 6. You have your 6 over 3 times 4 will give you 12. 6 over 12. There's a number that can divide 6 and 12, and that's 6. 6 divided by 6 will give you 1. 12 divided by 6 will give you 2. So your answer here is 1 over 2. Or you do it this way: 2 over 3 times 3 over 4. There's a number that can cancel out here. Remember, the denominator can cancel the numerator if they have a common number. Okay, or if they have a number that can divide both of them. So these 3 can divide 3, so they will cancel out. There's a number that can divide 4 and 2. As you can see, it's going this way, like the multiplication sign. This way and this way. So there's a number that can divide 2 and 4, and that number is 2. 2 in 2 will give you 1. 2 in 4 will give you 2. So you have 1 over 2. The same thing. 1 over 2, 1 over 2, and this is our final answer. Let's solve the fourth one. Number 4. Please remember to always like this video and subscribe to our channel. That's the only way you can support what we do. Yes, subscription is free. Okay, just like the video, subscribe. If you have anything you have to say, please comment. If you have any suggestion or whatever, if you want to reach out to me, just comment on the comment section. I will always respond. Thank you. Now let's proceed. The fourth one here, we have 2 number 1 over 4 times 1 whole number 2 over 3. This is equal to 2 times 4. You have to change this. This is a mixed number. These are mixed numbers. Okay, these are mixed numbers. 2 number 1 over 4 and 1 number 2 over 3. They are both mixed numbers. So the first thing you have to do here, there's no way, unlike addition and subtraction where you can add or subtract the whole numbers, you multiplication and division, you cannot do that. You must convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. Very, very important. I have a video on that, which is linked to the video, which is at the top right corner of your screen. So click on it and learn how to convert mixed number to improper fraction and improper fraction back to mixed number. Very, very important. Then you come back and continue with this video. Let's go. So converting this to an improper fraction, you have 2 times 4 will give you 8. 8 plus 1 will give you 9. So you have 9 over 4. And times 3 times 1 will give you 3. 3 plus 2 will give you 5. You have 5 over 3. Now this is equal to, you see, there's no number that can divide 4 and 5, so we leave it that way. Okay, we leave it that way. But there's a number that can divide 9 and 3. And that number is 3. So 3 divided by 3 will give you 9. 9 divided by 3 will give you 3. We are left with 3 and 5 here, so you can multiply. 3 times 5 will give you 15. You have 15 over, you only have 4 here. 4 times 1 is 4. 4. So 15 divided by 4 will give us 3. 3. Remainder 3. So that's 3 whole number 3 over 4. And this is our final answer. Let's solve the last question here. So this is our final question that we're solving under multiplication. We have 3 whole number 3 over 4, 1 whole number 1 over 5, and 5 over 12. So 2 of them here are mixed numbers. The first thing we have to do here before doing any other thing is to convert these mixed numbers to improper fraction. Let's go. 4 times 3 will give you 12. 12 plus 3 will give you 15. So you have 15 over 4. 5 times 1 will give you 5. So times 5 times 1 will give you 5. 5 plus 2 will give you 7. So you have 7 over 5. Then 5 times 5 over 12. This is equal to, now first thing we have to do is to check out numbers that can cancel out. So you cancel every cancelable here. Any number that can cancel out, you do where to cancel. Let's go. The first thing you have to do here is 5 can cancel out 5. 5 and 5, they will cancel out. Then there's a number that can divide 7 and 4. But there's a number that can divide 15 and 12. And that's 3. So 3 and 12 will give us 4. 3 and 15 will give us 5. There's a number here. Anymore. So we have 5 times 7 give us 35. 35 over 4 times 4 is 16. So that's 35 over 16. This is an improper fraction. We'll have to convert it to a mixed fraction. 16 in 35 will give us 2. Remainder 3. So that's 2 whole number. Remainder 3 over 16. There's a number that can divide 3 and 16. So this is our final answer.